This is our example, Shabab. This is our system. This is our container silo. A stream A is coming in it, A, and stream B is coming in it. It is mixed here. A mixer is there. The output is going to mix again with the stream C. They get mixed here and we get the stream E. So here it is saying the reaction here is 2A plus B, that becomes D here, and then C plus 3D becomes E here. This is here, this is here. Design a circuit. That's what it wants. And just don't design a circuit, also make sure this circuit is really giving these ratios. So are with me?
Yes.
That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing, but just one brother today is talking. I don't know other brother what they are doing. So this is A, this is B, and the reaction is 2A plus B. So what type of control should be here? Yes, Shabab. What type of the
Flow.
control should be here? Which one?
Level.
Yes, Shabab. Which type of control? Ratio, cascade, feedback. Which type of control should be here?
H, teacher, H.
Ratio. That's good.
Yeah.
And this one C plus 3D becomes E. What type of control is there again?
I think cascade, teacher.
How? How you think that? Brother Ali is typing again ratio.
No, I think cascade.
If you are saying this one is ratio, it is the same. This is always 2 liter, this is always 1 liter. So if you are saying this is ratio, here also same ratio. This is always 3 liter, this is always 1 liter. It is also ratio.
Yes,
Right,
yes.
Shabab?
Yes, I'm sorry, teacher.
And how we will make sure that E is really correct? This ratio is correct in E. How we will make sure that?
Again, question.
Yes, Shabab? Yes?
By analyzing.
By analyzing. Very good. Very good. So let us start. Somebody wanna try it, Shabab? Somebody wanna try it to get the first? Okay, let's start one by one. Let's start. So again, this is our choice. We assume this is the ratio controller here. So we wanna put the ratio controller here. So what we do? First of all, obviously we need the transmitter. Flow indicator transmitter is here. That is sending signal to the flow indicator controller, I2P converter, and here we put the valve. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher, with you.
Yes, yes, with you. Yes.
Okay, here again we put the flow indicator transmitter. This is 1 or A, it is on line A. This is on line B. And signal of this one we take to the signal calculator, and this one we take there. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers, that's saying yes. Okay. Now this one become D, and C and D has this relation. Again, it means ratio control. So what we do, we put here again flow transmitter, flow indicator transmitter C, that is sending signal to the flow indicator controller C. This flow indicator controller A. I2P converter is there. We put the valve here. For the D line, we put here flow indicator transmitter D. We bring the signal here. We put a signal calculator here. Output of this signal calculator we take to this controller. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me, Shabab?
Yes, with you, teacher.
Yeah. Yes, with you.
That's good. So to analyze, we put here analyzer indicator transmitter, send the signal to the analyzer indicator controller. It has a set point. Output of this controller we should send where, Shabab? Tell me. Where it should go? This signal calculator 2 or signal calculator 1? Where it should go?
One,
2,
teacher.
I guess.
One, a lot of brothers are saying 2. Why 1? Why 2? Why it should go 1? Why it should go 2? Give your logic. One brother Ali is giving logic, we need C plus 3D. Okay, that's why you are saying it should go to 2. But we also need 2A plus B before that. If somehow 2A plus B is not correct, C plus 3D can be correct?
I guess it will go to both of them, teacher.
Both we cannot put.
No, because teacher A and B,
For example,
it goes to the mixer.
See here. Imagine the ratio A 2A plus B is not correct. This ratio can be correct. C plus 3D can be correct.
No?
No. So which one is the primary importance? This one or this one? Signal calculator 1 or signal calculator 2?
1.
Brother Hussain is writing 1. Jashiba, which one is the primary important?
1. 2A plus B.
1. 1 is the primary important. So we will send it to 1. Now somehow, if this ratio is correct, 2A plus B, there are chances this will be correct. C plus 3D. If this ratio is not correct, it is not possible C plus 3D get correct. Shubha with me? That's what I'm writing. So the very simple solution is there. The problem is very complex. What is problem? We add two materials A and B like this. A is always 2 times B. So A is, for example, B is 1 liter. A will be 2 liter like this. Okay. Then add this to output of this one. Add another material C. This should be 3 times the C. It seems very complex problem. But when we give the solution, it is very simple solution. See here, what type of control is there, Shabab? What is this control? Yes, brother. What type of this control? Ratio relay with remote control, with remote signal. What is this? What is this, Shabab? What is this control?
Also ratio.
That's
Ratio
good.
control.
Also ratio relay. Right, Shabab? No, imagine in the question it is told this ratio is more important. This ratio is more important. C plus 3D is more important as compared to 2A plus B. Then where we should put this signal? With 2. That's good. Very good. Then we will put with 2. If it is told this ratio is more, nothing is told, right? No, nothing is told in the question. So we select. We select by ourselves. We thought this ratio is more primary importance, more important. So we take this signal here. Imagine in the question, in the problem, at the plant, you are working on the plant, and the process people told you this ratio, this is more important because we have some arrangement. This mixture always give us D. We know that it always give us D. So we are more care about this one. Okay, no problem. We will put this signal here. Shubha with me? Shubha with me? That's good. Yes, Shubha. Any question
Yes,
here,
yeah.
brother? Please ask. Please ask Shubha.
Teacher,
Yes.
why you write 2A plus B equal D, C plus 3D equal A? Is it true? Why teacher but 3D? I
This
think
is given.
2D is.
This I am not writing. This is given in the question.
Uh-huh.
This is given in the question. See page 40. Page 40, see in your book, page 40. This question is there.
Uh-huh.
This is given. I am not writing it. This is given in the problem.
Uh-huh.
You get it?
Yes, teacher.
That's good. Yes, brother. Any other brother has any question? Please ask. Yes, Shabab. Any other brother has any question? Please ask.
Is it important to show that PB and SP on this diagram?
Sorry.
Show the PB and SP of this diagram also.
Sorry, brother Zahri. Please say it again, please.
I mean, showing the direction of PB and SP output like that.
Yes. We need that. So okay, if you want, we can do right now. I thought maybe you guys can do it by yourself. Yes, Shabab. What is this?
BV.
PV. Direction. Which direction? Left, right,
Right.
right. What is this?
Output.
Output M.
M.
Direction right, left,
Right.
right. This signal is coming out of the signal calculator. It is what?
Set point.
SP.
SP.
Lot of people are writing SP. That's good. For the controller, it is SP. For the signal calculator, it is just output. Again, this signal is input to the signal calculator. What is this signal, Shabab?
BV. BV.
PV. Very good. Upward. What is this signal?
Output.
M. Small m. Brother Hussain is writing capital M. Brother, here it is small m. This is going here. Okay. What is this?
Set point.
Set for the controller. For signal calculator, it's just output. What is this?
M. Output.
M. That's good. What is this, Shabab? What is this? Up or down?
Down.
PV. Very good. Up or down?
Yes.
Down. Like this. Yes, brother. Any question up to here? Please ask.
What about teacher flow indicator transmitter B?
Flow indicator transmitter,
B.
B, this one.
Yes.
Yeah,
Is it
this signal is going
BB
this
for?
way.
Will be right.
It is PV for this line. It is PV for this line. But for the signal calculator, it is just input. You get my point?
Yes.
For B, it is PV. But for signal calculator, it is just input.
Okay.
Yes, Shabab, any other brother, please ask the question. Yes, brother, please. Any question, Shabab?
Teacher,
Yes, please.
can you, I don't know if you repeat that, if you say that or not, because I lost connection in maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, I don't know. You say that if we want to make
Okay.
sure the primary mix is correct, how do we make the second one is exactly or correct, something like that?
See, right now in the question, it is not given which ratio is more important, right?
Yes.
No, we are thinking like this because this is if 2A and plus B is not good, is it possible C plus 3D can be good?
No.
So according to our thought, our understanding, this one is more important. That's why we are bringing the analyzer control signal with signal calculator 1, right?
Yes.
Now imagine there is a scenario, there is a case. The people, the owner of this plant told you, brother, you don't worry about the D. We have special arrangement. D is always perfect, right? You make sure D, C plus 3D is correct, right?
Okay.
Then we don't care about this one then. This is the process people, the owner of the plant, they told us it is perfect. So then we will bring this analyzer signal to this signal calculator because they ask us to worry about this one. You got my point?
Fine. Yeah. Depends of what information are there or what information that say
Application.
application.
Difference of application.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
If nothing is given, we will. Okay, that's good. Any other brother Shabab? Okay, Shabab, you guys already know we have inshallah like our final exam is very near. So please revise today's lesson.